In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide likes on a Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So if we head over to Facebook app and if we scroll the timeline, we can see the total number of likes under each post. Some posts has likes, some doesn't. And then if we tap right here, we'll be taken to that post, and if we tap at the number of likes again, it will show us all the users that has liked that particular post. If you would like to hide these likes from someone's posts or from your own posts, you can easily do so. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off, head over to menu. After that, tap Add Gear to move on to the settings and privacy. And that's where we can easily find reaction preferences. If we get into it, we'll be able to hide likes on posts from others. Just turn on that option if you want to hide likes on someone's posts. And also we can hide likes on our own posts. All we have to do is just activate that option. And now if we go back to Facebook timeline, we can check how it looks like now. So as you can see, now it is no longer showing us the number of likes under posts, under someone's post, and on our own post as well. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.